Good day, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today I've prepared a few charts for the Bitcoin price. I've grabbed an old chart which I redirected a little bit in the form of this red box right here. Yeah, let's just dive right into the content. So I've prepared this weekly, and we're going to look at the daily chart. And by showing you this weekly first, I can yeah tell you or show you what I expect for the daily chart as well, and we can see Confluence coming in there. So yeah, what we're seeing right here on the weekly chart is quite interesting. This is the blue channel that we were looking at, which we broke out of course, and we dropped the price. And this was pretty much the bullish support band, or the bull market support band, which was this blue line right here down under. And we broke it on the daily and on the weekly time frame. I have to put this in the weekly time frame, and let's see it like this. So yeah, basically what we can see right here is that there are several touch points in this weekly red box right here, which has started at the start of the bull market, which went up and down, of course. And yeah, we see several touch points in this box right here, after which it broke out to the upside every time before. So that's quite interesting. It happened here and we went up. It happened, we touched it here and we touched it again and we went back up. And now we are touching it again. As you can see, last week was the 9th week in a row that we closed the red candle, and it bounced off of this support level, which is basically the bottom support level, which we also seen in this week in January of 21. And we bounced off of that. Here we had a wick down, and this 50 weekly EMA ribbon is acting as support right now. You could a lot of people say that this 50 weekly average, they call it the fair price, Bitcoin's fair price right now, because it grows eventually over the years, and it doesn't have any peaks inside of it. So this is the 50-week moving average, which is quite interesting, which sits almost at the bottom of the box right there. And this will continue to go up like this. So yeah, what the first thing I've noticed, that we see a huge wick on the top side right here of this last weekly candle, and we went all the way down, and we're still going down right now. Yes, this weekly, it's Friday today, so this weekly candle has another 2 days and 13 hours left to go. And time will tell if this is going to be a green or a red candle. A red candle would be the 10th in a row. And a green candle would be the first in hopefully a row of many more than 10. But yeah, we never see that again. So, or we never seen that before. So that's not very likely, of course. But the significance of this red box is quite obvious, with a lot of touch points right here. And you can see that we're trying to break above this right now. I sincerely hope that this 27.8k is the bottom. If we touch this again, then this might be a very nice swing trade long position. But if we break down, then especially if we close below this, then it would be very interesting to see we have created wicks and wicks, and hopefully this will be just another upside green candle, and hopefully we can make the candle body a little bigger. But yeah, we'll have to see about that. You can see if we look at the RSI, the momentum indicator is showing that a lighter red, which would suggest that there's volume of the bears is declining, and eventually we'll see something like this: red, light red, lighter red, lighter red, and then hopefully some green and some higher green as well. But yeah, we'll have to see, and only time will tell. That we'll know that in a couple of weeks. So this red box is very significant in my opinion, and that 27.8K is quite interesting. Look at the daily chart right here. We're still within this falling wedge, which is still an opportunity for a long position if we break the top side right here. And then we'll probably are likely to see, based on this pattern, a price of 67,000 again. But yeah, I feel we're a long way from that right now at this time. So yeah, basically we've been struggling here at the bottom of this falling wedge, and we basically had several touch points, which is holding up quite well right now. We have these horizontal levels, which are, if I zoom in a little bit, which are quite interesting as well, because they seem to be holding up quite good right here. And we have this downward sloping trend line, which we broke out of and retested, and maybe are retesting right now again. So on the daily, you can see the MACD is turning lighter green, and that is most likely to go a little bit more down, or at least that's what possible. So the red box was at 27.8K, and that is somewhere around here, which could very well be that we touch this, visit this level again on the daily chart as well. And then I would hope to see somewhat like this, and then bounce off and go on from here. But yeah, this bottom blue line seems to be respected on the daily for a couple of days in a row now. So I do not think that we will close a daily candle in below that blue line for the short term. But yeah, a wick down could very well likely be. So we've seen that here and here and here as well. So that's what we're looking for in the daily. But yeah, what could happen is that we visit this top side and get rejected again, and on the daily pattern hit this one again, and do not close it on the weekly, because the weekly, I think if we close a weekly candle below this red box right here, then the next levels that we're looking at are 19.2 and 13.6, which isn't that good, of course. So it would mean a nice opportunity to buy cheap, of course, but you have to have fiat in order to be able to do that. So that's what we're looking for right now. So let's zoom in a little bit more and look at the 4 hour. Let's see if on those tip works, and it works, which is great. Still haven't found a solution for that brush thing, but whatever. So we on the 4 hour, you could see these two blue lines that we shown on the daily are respected. We had basically a fake out to the upside right here, and now we're trading in between these two blue lines again. We had a few tests of the blue line, which acted as resistance just a couple of hours ago, and yeah, we got rejected by it right now. As you can see, I've drawn this downward sloping trend line, which is also being respected. You could see this as a breakout and a retest, and yeah, maybe going in for another retest, but this eventually would be yeah, going up. But yeah, we saw the fake out on these horizontal levels, and yeah, in the immediate short term, it's not looking that good. As you can see here, if I show you, the MACD was going down and building some momentum on the 4-hour, but yeah, here it got rejected, and now we've got a full red candle again, which isn't that good, of course. So yeah, that's not the thing that we'd like to see. Here, just grab it like this, and then the brush is done. Yeah, and if we're looking at the RSI, yeah, there's nothing much to say about this. The RSI doesn't show any divergences or anything like that. So on the 4-hour, I could zoom in a little bit more on the 1-hour, and there isn't anything showing on the divergences as well. So, and the MACD also not. So yeah, long story short is yeah, I expect it's very likely to retest this, but yeah, when standing on the sidelines, the sidelines, the hourly and the 4-hourly don't really matter, because yeah, we're looking basically in these times, we're looking at the daily and the weekly charts, and just yeah, try to accumulate as much as we can. If we yeah, if we see something like this would be very much possible. It could take another till the end of July in order for us to break to the upside again, or at least try to break out of this falling wedge. If we do so, then I guess we'll see 60K again, and more than 60K. But it will take time, and as long as we have this time, then we can accumulate more Bitcoin at these prices, and yeah, double, triple, quadruple our money or our investment, and that's what we're looking for, of course. You could also look for accumulating as much Bitcoin, because one Bitcoin will always be one Bitcoin. It will be priced at a dollar price, but yeah, one Bitcoin is still one Bitcoin, of course. So if you believe in Bitcoin, in the future of cryptocurrencies, then yeah, then your main goal would be to just accumulate as much Bitcoin as you want or you can get. If you, like me, are also paying your bills with Bitcoin and trading Bitcoin, then yeah, then you're obviously looking to buy low and sell high in order to pay your bills. So that's it for today. Well, not the best or greatest news, but yeah, we're still waiting for something to happen, something significant to happen. So either way, we'll break out to the upside, retest it, and then go up to 60K again. But I think for the coming days, weeks, we'll see some sideways momentum going on for a while. So yeah, that's it for today. Thanks so much. Hope you have a nice day. Bye.